how's it going, everybody? It's Cuba Curtis. With an unboxing video. A friend of mine sent me something about a week ago now. What's today? Yeah, about a week ago. And I haven't got a chance to open it yet, but now that I am, I would like to show you guys what my buddy sent me. So, here we go. Let's see if I can still figure out how to open a box. What the fuck? I have my knife on me just in case I need to cut anything, but I don't think I will. That's kind of sticky. Oh shit. Oh shit. Military style belt. What is this? Looks like a belt pouch for clips, maybe? A drop leg holster. A drop leg holster. Well then. Wait, what? Does this really go on the left side? Let me try it out here. No, wait, this does go on the right side. I'm just dumb. Don't worry about me. Let me, actually, I really want to see if this fits well. Well, it would fit if I could figure out how to tighten this bitch up. I'm having a little bit of trouble here with this part. There we go. Shit. Fuck. Fuck. Come on now. Don't look stupid in front of YouTube. Also, it's a little low. Oh, fuck. Give me a second, I'll be right back. Alright, I seem to have gotten it somewhat working. Oh, God. It works pretty damn well. Wonder if it would fit my revolver. I don't know if you can really see that, but my revolver is a bit small to be in here. So honestly, it looks like it's just good for this one. Although that's kind of what it's meant for. Well, I'd like to thank my friend for this. This is really awesome, actually. Let me just put this away in its original holster. Not even its original holster, but the holster I've been using for it. Let's see if this works as well. the belt.
I'm not really going to be putting it in the belt loops at the moment, but I'll get an idea for it. It's not a drop leg holster like I thought it was. It's just a leg holster. It works pretty damn well. Yeah, I really enjoy this actually. Oh wait, here we go. I actually never had a fucking holster this complicated. Where the hell does this go? So just, okay. What the?
Well, there's that. Plus this.
I don't know.
I don't know how to do this.
Probably figure it out somehow though. Well, it's got a slot for an extra clip on this holster.
This is nice. It's really cool. Also, before we get too carried away with this holster and I go crazy, this is new. I got it from my grandfather. I was out in Colorado, and he passed away, and he was a veteran and a biker, so I was lucky enough to come home with one of his cuts. I actually have a few other things that I have brought with me from Colorado that I could take on the plane. What I couldn't take on the plane was like a utility tool, a few guns, some other holsters. Although seeing that this got sent in the mail, I'm not even sure about that anymore. I also got a, where'd it go? I'll be right back. Got a pair of cowboy boots that I have not taken off since. And one of his belt buckles, along with one of his belts that just says D. And in this bag, I got a bunch of t-shirts, but I'm not going to be showing those because really they're just like biker and old classic rock and roll t-shirts. I did get some movies. Let's see here. Walk Hard, the Dewey Cox story. Gran Torino by directed by Clint Eastwood. Or Gran Torino with Clint Eastwood, Jesus Christ. I also got season 1. Season 1, season 2, season 3, and season 4 of Sons of Anarchy. So that's nice. I also got Easy Rider and the Green Berets. And I'm still digging in here. There's more that I brought. I've also been wearing one of my grandfather's watches. Currently off because I woke up not too long ago and I don't like sleeping with a watch on. I also have a certificate of life membership of my grandfather's to the North American Hunting Club. So that's a thing as well. There is still more in here though. A pair of his riding gloves. And oh wait, there's more. His Combat Vets Association plaque, which, by the way, fuck that. Which, by the way, if you take a look at the back of this vest, Combat Vets Association, CVA club down in Colorado. And the last thing that I brought with me on the plane was a pair of binoculars. For some reason, he had quite a bit of stuff, and I didn't really want to see all of his stuff get auctioned off, so I asked if I could have some, and I got more than I even dreamt of getting. I was not expecting that. But it was nice. Nonetheless, it was nice. Anyway, it was a nice, it was nice to get some stuff of his to remember him by. Even got one of his hats. Which I've been wearing. So yeah. And these are my father's. That's a story for a different time. This is an unboxing and kind of this is an unboxing and new stuff kind of video. So that's all really. Although I did buy a carton of Marbs down there, it was like $58 a carton instead of the $72 up here. Other than that, this is all the stuff I came back from Colorado with, plus what my buddy sent me. Works pretty well if I unbutton the fucker. But I think I'll leave the gun in this holster because honestly, what else am I gonna leave it in? I don't actually have a holster right now for it. So yeah, all this grandiose stuff, and I live in a small apartment. So yeah. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you did. And I will see you all in the next video of whatever I make. Take it easy, and keep it Curtis signing out.